Yeah, let me show it to you guys. Let me show it to you guys. You're gonna enjoy this. Oh my god, bro. Every time I look at this, I feel, I feel so, I feel so dumb. I feel so, I mean, I was so cringe back then, bro. I was so cringe back then. I was trying to copy John Cena, bro. Doing that. 小学号中国真的也冰淇淋，忘记把冰淇淋 and I created this absolute garbage. What is this? Like, bro, why do I look like that? Why? And bro, bro, oh, oh my god, bro. Oh my hand, bro. My hairstyle, bro. My hair. Why is it combed backwards? Bro, it's combed backwards, bro. I hate it. Ew. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Let's play it. You wanna hear it, right? Let's. Okay, here goes nothing.
早上好，我现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Oh my god, bro. Bro, I can't do this anymore. Bro,